have the next management on the show today joining us right now. That's CleanMax Enviro Energy Solutions. Saw a bit of a muted listing today, but given the market condition, 9% discount is what it listed at to its issue price. To talk about the outlook of the company going forward, we have Kuldeep Jain, founder and managing director, joining us right now to discuss the business and growth going forward. Kuldeep, good morning. Thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations on getting listed. But let's get started with some bit of a numbers, right? Now, finally listed, so you can give us some idea in terms of what we could expect. Let's start with the EBITDA performance, right? For H1 FY26, when you've seen in terms of EBITDA, your EBITDA margins have come in at 68.4% versus a 72% last year for the first half of the year 25. What is the run rate that one could expect from the business in terms of margins, FY26, FY27? Any indication you could give us on that front?
Thank you, guys, and we are delighted to be listed today on the stock exchanges. In our business, we add about 1,500 megawatt of solar and wind capacity every year and sell the energy so produced to corporate customers, which we are very well on track to do. We don't issue EBITDA guidances, but we've historically been a 58% annual growth rate on EBITDA kind of business. And as of October 25, we had about 6,000 megawatt contracted, but of which only half is built and half more is under construction. So lots of growth still to come.
Okay, hi Kuldeep. Good morning. Good to see you in. A bit of a tricky one, right? Not the best day to get listed, but it's been a journey for you as well as the team in terms of coming so far. Markets today not obliging, but your investors will be interested in creating wealth over the longer term. What's this backstory with regard to this jacket that you're wearing?
Thanks, Nigel. Thank you for asking. I wanted to not stand alone at the NSE platform while doing it. So I got a jacket made with all 600 of CleanMax employees on it. So you can actually see everyone. I wanted to make myself feel and make my team feel that, we are all in it together. So that's the jacket that I'm wearing.
Okay, interesting. Oh.
And I'm still at the National Stock Exchange. So that's the jacket we got made for this. Thank you.
All right, good.
So it's just the individuals of CleanMax.
It's a team effort then, and nice to see you're actually wearing them on this big day. Let's talk about a couple of aspects then. What about business? For the last year, if you look at it, your EBITDA number was ballpark around 1,000 crores. I know you don't give us a guidance, but in the previous 2 years, if I look at it, your EBITDA doubled in 2 years. From around 400 crores, it went to around 1,000 crores.
That's right.
In the next 3 years, there's a probability that this EBITDA number doubles?
Yeah, and absolutely there is, Nigel, because if you look at our business, 3,000 megawatt is built and another 3,000 megawatt is under construction, which will happen in the next 2 years. So therefore, just by those simple metrics, that doubling kind of number makes a lot of sense. And what we see also is that we've had a huge boom in our customer offtake from data and AI as a segment. And data and AI is today already about 43% of our contracted volumes, with all the data centers in India as well as with all the big tech giants. And we, given the global mega trends in data and AI, we see a lot of good prospects for that line as well.
Sure. Kuldeep, a quick one. What's your plan in terms of debt reduction strategy? Some of the amount that you've raised will be paid towards debt. So how much will be left on the books, and cash and cash equivalent also? What are you looking out for, or what can we expect by the end of FY26 here today?
So we are repaying about 1125 crores of debt out of the 1250 crores of primary proceeds, which will lower our debt to EBITDA ratio, but our net debt to EBITDA is already at about 4.6. For the rest of the renewable energy industry, that number is closer to about 5.5 to 6 times. So we are in any case more conservatively geared compared to the rest of renewable energy industry, and we will repay some of that debt.
Okay, all right, Kuldeep. We look forward to having a longer chat with you as well as the team. But congratulations to all of you all. Like the idea with regard to the jacket, but the street will be looking forward to better numbers in the time to come. Initially, the stock is down, but delivery of those numbers that you're talking about will be top of mind.